Okay, I want to cover a something called Brizy, which is a web page builder, and I want to cover that. It's in the club. We have two different versions. We have a WordPress version that you can install on one WordPress site, or we have the cloud version, which you can also install on one website. So you can put this on two personal websites at this point, and you can build as many templates as you want in the back end. I'm going to show you the builder and give you a quick idea of what we got here in the club. This is super easy to use, and it comes loaded with blocks and templates. So to edit, you can see here how easy it is to make the changes, and all the different design options you have is pretty incredible. And it's very, very fast and fluid to use in the back end. And again, this is available both as a WordPress plugin and cloud platform. The cool thing is that we have both, and we can have both for at least one for each website. Now, this is great for people who have never designed a website before, and it's a drop and drag visual editor. There's no code involved. Because we have the pro versions, we have all the templates and all the upgrades as well inside this. Now, when you look at this first, let's go look at the templates real quick. Now, these are the various areas, depending on what kind of website you want to build. Click on business here, and you can see some of the templates. They're really, really stunning. You can easily adjust these and make color changes and changes to them. And you can see there's 5 pages of them here. I think there's over 500 elements, if I'm correct, on blocks as well. There's a lot of different blocks you can use. If you don't like a layout, you can build yours from scratch. Let's go look at food. Some food templates here. Restaurants, Alpine Lodge, dieting, home feast, gourmet. So you can see how beautiful these templates are. And these are one-click install, and then you just change your text over. So it makes it super easy to get a website up and running. Let's go to blocks kits. So these are what they call blocks. And these are, again, you just one click and you could have this block installed, then you make your changes. Yeah, there's 500 plus designs, 11 categories, and there's 2 variations of each block, a dark and a light version, as you can see here. And these are some of the areas: hero images, features, contact gallery, click through, or cost per action, text, team, pricing, testimonials. So these are some of the header images that they call them hero headers, usually on the top of a website. And then feature sections, various features, contact forms built right into it. Different galleries for photography and images and imagery, call to action, different text blocks, team blocks, pricing blocks, testimonial blocks, 10 styles for colors and typography. There you go. That's a quick overview. And the pro version we have, I'm going to go to the pricing next. There's also pop-up designs for making pop-ups, newsletter pop-ups, feature pop-ups, cookies and GDPRs, video galleries, and signups. So these are very easy to design and build. You can use the templates or build your own. Pretty awesome. Lots of options in here. Now, when we look at the pricing of this, there's 2 options. There's a WordPress version, which is a WordPress plugin. And then there is a Brizy version, a cloud version. Now, there is a free WordPress plugin that allows you to install this on as many websites as you want. But to get all the pro designs and upgrades and all of that, it's a one-time purchase of $149. Where you can, if you're doing lots of sites, you can step up, obviously, depending on what you're doing. There's yearly pricing as well if you want to pay per year. And then there's the cloud version, where we get in the club, this one here, where you can host it on one of our sites. They have built-in hosting, unlimited. So you get unlimited if you want to build on theirs. You can get one workspace, pro designs and features, all the upgrades and any support they do as well. So those are the two options that we have in the club. Again, if you went yearly, you're looking at that price for WordPress. So we have both, as it states here. We get both of them. So that's pretty good savings. That comes out to be $228 in savings just on that. That is not, and this one's yearly. The cloud version is yearly. It's a yearly charge because of all the updates they do. And this is a very active group, and this is kind of the direction I'm moving in for ongoing building moving forward, just because of the ease of it, and the building is fast, much less complicated. And when there's other options too, if you're a member of the club, you can upgrade. I've talked to Carl, and if we wanted to get additional websites, we can work out a deal with him. Well, we're not going to have to pay this for every WordPress site we want this on. We can work out a deal with him. So that's how that works. This is Brizy. You're welcome to come take a look. Here's the website up here. But don't get it through there. You can get this in the club as part of your membership, along with everything on this page, which is pretty loaded. I could scroll here for quite a while, but I'm going to kind of speed it up. These are all various digital marketing tools that are inside the club, that as a member, you get access to every one of them. It's pretty awesome. I've been a member for well over 2.5 years now, and it's great. I get all my hosting. And if we looked at just Brizy, I want to show you the pricing structure and how this works. For now, this may change. He's already upped it once. He may go up again because of the value in the club. I'm not going to talk about the 1120 plan. This is the monthly to get you access to all the products. And you get special assets unlocked from the second month, which is all the hosting that's involved. We get amazing hosting, pretty much all the hosting you'll ever need. Or you can go yearly as well. What I usually recommend to people is you start off here, spend a month in the club, and once you see the value and how it operates, upgrade to the yearly, because you save about $12 a month. Okay, so I just want to show you something real quick. We just looked at that one product. It was 200. Let's just forget the fact that you have to pay yearly for the $79. 228 divided by 49. That's 4.5 months of the club right there in just that one tool. As you can see, so if you were to go buy the Brizy to build your websites, you're basically looking at 4.6 months of the club just for the one tool. Now, that doesn't include all the hosting that you're going to have to go buy and all the other things that you may need to build your website, which are lots of various tools that help you grow your business. Give you an example. I use this one daily. Okay, I use this one every day for posting on social media. It does all my posting for me automatically. I can go in there and schedule whatever I want to post. Just went in there this morning and posted a couple things. It's another $181. Let's just add that one in. Plus 181. Oops. So this one's clear. 228 plus 181 equals 4. We're almost at the yearly price now with 2 tools. Pretty amazing, guys. Pretty amazing. Forget even about all the hosting. It's just on and on and on. So all these tools are in the club. I use this one pretty much daily now. Creating memes, finding all my images. See if I can find another one that I use daily in here. Oh, Media Cloud Pro. So let's go look at that one. $87 plus 87. So I'm already over the yearly on 3 tools that I use every day. So you can see the value here between Viral Dashboard, Media Cloud Pro, and the Brizy. I'm already at $496 if I was to go buy those tools myself. And obviously, there's a lot more here that you're going to be able to use in your business. So that's the club, and that is Brizy. Do not need to get it here. We have it in the club. Takes a while to get back to the top. As you can see, all these tools. It is available to you as a member. All right, thanks for watching.